If you're constantly guessing your battery level, you need to turn this on. Your iPhone can show the exact battery percentage, but many people don't realize it's hidden. Here's how to enable it. Go to Settings, tap Battery, then turn on Battery Percentage. That's it. Now you'll see the exact number in the top corner. No more guessing if you're on 20% or 5%. Another tip, which I covered in a previous tutorial, if your battery is still draining fast, check which apps are using the most power. Just stay on this screen, click on View All Battery Usage and scroll down. You'll see battery usage by app. If something looks unusually high, that app might be draining your battery in the background. You can then manage it or remove it if needed. This small change gives you way more control over your battery. That's it. Follow for more quick tips.